SAP Master Training Program. Our program offers 8 modules, is S/4 HANA ready, and is designed to transform your career and build your future. We offer 90-hour programs, global certification, 100% placement focus, and live labs covering essential SAP modules like MM, FICO, SD, PP, PM, Basis, ABAP, and HR. The program's objective is strategic alignment with enterprise needs. We focus on real-time SAP business processes through end-to-end workflow training, SAP Global Certification exam preparation, building job-ready portfolios with hands-on practice, and enabling MNC placement through targeted interview preparation. The program structure includes a common core module covering S/4 HANA overview, SAP Fiori interface, embedded analytics, and deployment basics. You then choose a specialization from our 8 modules: functional, technical, ABAP, or administration basis. Our learning model is instructor-led, lab-intensive, case study-driven, and includes mock exams for certification readiness. Cross-module integration labs simulate real-world data flow and include a capstone project. Here is our field-wise specialization guide to help you select the right SAP module based on your background. For instance, those in engineering can focus on SAP PP and SAP PM. Commerce and finance professionals are best suited for SAP FICO. HR and management candidates should look into SAP HR/HCM. A pro tip: HR and HCM is a top choice for non-technical graduates due to high demand in GCCs and payroll processing centers. All 8 core modules are available for dual certification. The SAP job market dashboard in India shows over 28,900 active job openings. SAP FICO and SAP ABAP are the leading modules in demand. Senior level salaries average over 30 LPA. Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Pune are the top geographic hubs. IT services and GCCs drive 60% of demand, while manufacturing provides the highest stability for functional consultants. Let's detail the SAP MM Materials Management module. It focuses on the procure-to-pay core of the supply chain. The format is 90 hours over 6 weeks. Learning outcomes cover configuring the MM enterprise structure, executing the P2P cycle, designing pricing schemas, and generating inventory reports. Job roles include SAP MM Consultant and Procurement Analyst. The SAP MM 90-hour curriculum is broken down week by week. Week 1 covers the foundation and enterprise structure. Week 2 focuses on the procurement cycle. Week 3 dives into inventory management. Weeks 4 and 5 cover valuation, integration, and advanced scenarios. Finally, Week 6 is dedicated to a mini project, configuration documentation, testing, and the final mock exam. Our program provides real-world projects and case studies, such as manufacturing P2P implementation, trading co, subcontracting, and services procurement. Key deliverables include configuration documents, test scripts, and KPI dashboards. This practical exposure builds your portfolio and confidence for implementation roles. Looking at SAP MM salary packages in India, entry-level salaries range from 3.5 to 6 LPA, with senior roles earning up to 28 LPA. Top employers include TCS, Accenture, and Deloitte, with hot locations like Bengaluru and Hyderabad. Specialized knowledge in S/4, HANA sourcing, and Ariba can command premium compensation. Next is Functional Track 02, SAP FICO for Finance and Controlling on S/4 HANA. The course covers the financial accounting cycle, from general ledger to reporting. Topics include enterprise structure, cost center accounting, and integration with MM and SD. This module is ideal for finance graduates and working accountants transitioning to S/4 HANA. The SAP FICO curriculum spans 6 weeks. Week 1 covers enterprise structure and GL. Week 2 focuses on AP, AR, and banking. Week 3 dives into asset accounting. Week 4 addresses controlling. Week 5 covers period close and reporting. And Week 6 is dedicated to a project and assessment, culminating in a full-length internal mock exam. The FICO projects and case studies provide hands-on implementation experience. They cover multi-branch accounting, period close automation, asset lifecycle management, Colorado allocations and profitability, and an integration lab with FI/MMSD. Key deliverables across these projects include a config pack, closing checklist, allocation cycles, and integration notes. Key hiring requirements include CA, CMA, or MBA in finance, 2 to 5 years of experience, and C_TS4FI certification. Top employers in IT services include TCS, Accenture, and Deloitte. BFSI and Global Capability Centers feature roles at HDFC Bank, JP Morgan, and Goldman Sachs. Specialized focus areas include openings at Capgemini and PwC. Track 03 is SAP SD, or Sales and Distribution, specializing in the order-to-cash, or O2C, core cycle. Learning outcomes include configuring the complete O2C cycle, designing complex pricing schemes, managing delivery and billing, and generating sales KPIs. Target job roles are SAP SD Consultant and O2C Analyst. The dashboard provides a snapshot of sales performance analysis, including open sales orders and year-to-date revenue. The SAP SD 90-hour curriculum is structured across 6 weeks. Week 1 covers structure and master data. Week 2 focuses on sales documents and pricing. Week 3 addresses delivery and logistics. Week 4 is dedicated to billing and integration. Week 5 covers advanced scenarios, and Week 6 concludes with the project and assessment. Our SAP SD projects offer hands-on experience in real-world scenarios. We cover manufacturing O2C, e-commerce/retail returns and refunds, and intercompany sales. Projects also include export/SEZ sales, focusing on global trade and tax, and an integration lab covering SD integration with FICO and modules. Key deliverables include configuration packs, flow documents, and test plans. SAP SD salary packages in India show competitive trends across various experience levels. Entry-level roles start around 3.8 to 6.5 LPA, while senior professionals with 7 to 12 years of experience can earn between 20 to 30 LPA. Top employers include leading IT service and consulting firms such as Accenture, TCS, Infosys, and Capgemini, with high demand in major Indian metro cities. Track 04 focuses on SAP PP, or Production Planning and Execution. This 90-hour single-module program covers key components like BOOMs, routing, MRP, and production orders. It's ideal for engineers and operations executives. The course structure emphasizes a production planning cycle and includes a 90-hour duration with 60% hands-on labs. The SAP PP 90-hour curriculum is delivered over 6 weeks. Weeks 1 through 3 cover master data foundation, planning strategies, and MRP execution. Weeks 4 and 5 focus on production execution and capacity and costs. The final week is dedicated to a project and assessment, including a full PP cycle implementation and a mock exam. Our SAP PP projects involve real-world manufacturing scenarios. These include automotive MTS line, custom machine MTO, and subcontracting with external processing. We also feature a rework scenario, focusing on quality management, and an integration lab, covering PP links with SD, and CO. Deliverables focus on practical documentation, like flow docs and test scripts. SAP PP salary packages in India are highly competitive. Entry-level roles range from 4 to 7 LPA, with senior roles fetching 20 to 28 LPA. Top employers include Infosys, TCS, and Tata Motors. Strong demand exists in manufacturing hubs. Domain experience combined with SAP PP certification significantly accelerates career progression. Track 05 is SAP PM, or Plant Maintenance on S/4HANA. This 90-hour module focuses on asset management, covering the preventative and breakdown maintenance cycle. Learning outcomes include setting up PM for a complete plant, planning and executing maintenance cycles, tracking costs, and integrating with for spare parts. The program is ideal for mechanical and electrical engineers. The SAP PM 90-hour curriculum spans 6 weeks. The course moves from foundation and setup in week 1 to technical objects and maintenance planning in weeks 2 and 3. Weeks 4 and 5 cover maintenance execution and preventative strategies. Week 6 is dedicated to integration and a mini project, culminating in an implementation doc and demo. SAP PM projects provide valuable case studies across 5 major areas: plant setup, breakdown management, calibration, shutdowns, and integration with FICO. Deliverables include a strategy matrix, maintenance calendar, downtime reports, and settlement logs, all designed to prepare you for real-world implementation. For SAP PM salaries in India, entry-level roles start from 3.8 to 6 LPA, with senior roles reaching 18 to 26 LPA. Major employers include L&T, Reliance, and TCS. The market is strong in asset-heavy industries and industrial belts, and knowledge of integration accelerates career growth. Technical Track 06 is SAP ABAP, or Advanced Business Application Programming, on S/4HANA. The course covers DDIC, reports, forms, enhancements like BADI, ABAP on HANA, and OData. This program is 90 hours, with 70% focused on coding labs, ideal for CS, IT, and Java programmers targeting ABAP developer roles. The SAP ABAP 90-hour curriculum breaks down key topics week by week. Weeks 1 to 3 focus on foundation, reports, interfaces, forms, and output. Weeks 4 and 5 cover enhancements and ABAP on HANA. Week 6 is dedicated to a project and assessment, including a mini-project and the final mock exam. Key deliverables include technical specifications and custom code. SAP ABAP projects and case studies provide real-world experience. Scenarios include inventory KPI ALV, PO/invoice forms, BAPI integration, BADI enhancement, and CDS plus OData for S/4HANA and Fiori. Deliverables range from technical specifications and print programs to DDL source and service binding, building a strong technical portfolio. SAP ABAP salary packages in India show strong potential. Entry-level trainees earn 4.5 to 8 LPA, with senior developers reaching 18 to 30 LPA. Developers with S/4HANA and Fiori skills command a 25 to 35% premium. Technical architects and full-stack developers are among the highest-paid roles in the ecosystem. The administration track is SAP Basis, focusing on system administration and operations. Topics include system architecture, user administration, transport management, and security. This module is ideal for IT graduates, system administrators, and DB engineers. It covers the SAP 3-tier architecture and utilizes SAP Solution Manager for workload analysis and monitoring. The SAP Basis curriculum is delivered over 6 weeks. Key topics include architecture and foundation, transport management, and security and authorization in the first 3 weeks. Weeks 4 and 5 cover monitoring, performance, maintenance, and recovery. The final week involves a project and assessment, culminating in a mock exam. SAP Basis projects include real-world scenarios in landscape setup, user/roles redesign, performance tuning, DR drill, and patch and notes application. Deliverables include a security matrix, audit report, recovery runbook, and test evidence, providing practical experience in system administration. SAP Basis roles in India offer competitive compensation. Entry-level roles range from 4 to 7 LPA, with certified professionals earning up to 12 to 20 LPA, and senior roles reaching 18 to 30 LPA. Key job roles include Basis Support Trainee to SAP Operations Architect. Demand is high in IT services, captive GCCs, and manufacturing hubs across major Indian cities. Technical Track 08 is SAP HR and HCM, focusing on human capital management and payroll. The program is 90 hours over 6 weeks, with 60% hands-on labs. It covers OM, PA time, and India payroll. This module is ideal for HR professionals, payroll specialists, and HRIS analysts looking to manage end-to-end workforce workflows. The SAP HR/HCM curriculum covers foundation and setup, organizational management, and personnel administration in the first 3 weeks. Weeks 4 and 5 are dedicated to time management and India payroll. The final week focuses on integration, a mini-project covering configuration for 2 areas, and the final review and presentation. The SAP HR and HCM projects cover real-world scenarios in payroll rollout, shift and OT policy, onboarding separation cycle, ESS/MSS leave rollout, and CTC payroll mapping. Deliverables include BRD and config docs, work schedules, action designs, workflow configs, and mapping sheets, preparing you for complex implementation projects. SAP HR and HCM salary packages in India are highly competitive. City premiums apply in major metro areas, The industry outlook is strong in IT services and GCCs. Contracting potential is high, ranging from 4,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees per day. Certified professionals see strong career progression, advancing from analyst to architect roles. Our success stories demonstrate real career transformations across functional tracks. Priya Sharma in SAP MM, Rajesh Kumar in SAP FICO, and Anita Desai in SAP SD all achieved significant career growth, reaching high salaries and driving major business achievements for global companies. Further alumni success stories highlight manufacturing and HR tracks. Vikram Singh in SAP PP and Amit Patel in SAP PM excelled in production and plant maintenance. Neha Iyer in SAP HCM mastered payroll and achieved high ESS leave adoption, demonstrating expertise across various SAP modules. Enroll now to transform your career. Master SAP, get certified, and build your future. We offer global certification, 100% placement support, S/4 HANA Live Labs, and expert mentors. Call us at +91 932 899 4901 or visit our website to apply.